Hi, everyone. Dr. Rebecca here. What's worse, hiring the wrong person or rejecting the right one? There isn't an easy answer because organizations do both and often without realizing it. These outcomes have specific names: false positives and false negatives. And understanding them changes how we think about hiring decisions. In this video, we'll focus on false positives and false negatives and how these hiring errors influence decision outcomes. Every hiring decision involves a judgment. Someone is evaluated and a prediction is made about how they will perform. Will this person succeed in the role or not? But no matter how much information is collected, the prediction is never perfect, which means two kinds of mistakes might happen. The first mistake is a false positive. This is when someone is hired but does not perform well. They appear to be a strong candidate based on the information available, but once in the role, their performance does not match expectations. For example, a candidate may perform very well in interviews, presenting themselves confidently and providing strong answers, but once hired, they may struggle to apply those skills in real situations, work effectively with the team, or meet performance expectations. What looked strong during the selection does not translate into actual job performance. The second is a false negative. This is when someone is rejected but would have performed well. They don't move forward in the process even though they had the ability to succeed. This might happen because they were overlooked, filtered out early, or simply didn't stand out in the way the process required. Consider a candidate who has the ability to perform well, but is less polished in interviews or less comfortable promoting their strengths. They may be overlooked in favor of candidates who present more confidently, even if those candidates are less capable in the role. In many cases, this individual goes on to succeed in another organization that recognized their potential. So, what causes these errors? At a basic level, it's the gap between what we can observe during assessment and selection and what actually matters on the job. Interviews, tests, and applications all provide useful information, but they are only partial indicators of performance. And when decisions rely on partial signals, some level of error is unavoidable. For instance, an interview might capture how well someone communicates in a structured setting, but not how they handle ongoing job demands. A test might measure specific abilities, but not how those abilities are applied in the real work environment. Each tool provides useful information, but none provides a complete picture. Now let's look at why these errors matter. A false positive, a poor hire, is usually easy to see. Performance problems emerge, teams are affected, and eventually the organization may need to replace that employee. These mistakes are visible and often costly. There are direct costs such as time spent hiring, onboarding, and training, and the indirect costs such as reduced team productivity, increased workload for others, and potential for impact on morale. In some cases, the organization must restart the hiring process entirely. But false negatives are different. They don't create immediate problems, but they represent lost opportunities. A strong candidate is not selected. Their potential contribution is never realized. This creates a different kind of cost. The organization doesn't experience a failure, but it misses out on a potentially strong contributor. And because the outcome isn't visible, these errors are often underestimated or not recognized at all. Here's the key insight. Reducing one type of error usually increases another. If an organization becomes more selective, it may reduce the number of poor hires, but it will also increase the chances of turning away strong candidates. But if it becomes more inclusive, it may capture more strong candidates, but it may also increase the risk of hiring someone who struggles. For example, setting very high selection standards may ensure that only top-scoring candidates are hired. But it may also filter out individuals who would have performed well in the role but didn't meet those strict thresholds. On the other hand, lowering those thresholds may allow more strong candidates through, but also increases the risk of weaker hires. This means hiring decisions are not just about accuracy, they are about trade offs. Organizations have to decide which type of error they're more willing to accept and design their processes accordingly. So the goal isn't to eliminate mistakes entirely. That's not possible. The goal is to make better decisions by understanding where errors come from and how they may affect outcomes. Some organizations may prioritize minimizing poor hires, especially in roles where mistakes are costly or high. Others may focus on capturing as much talent as possible, particularly in roles where potential can be developed over time. These choices shape how selection systems are designed and how strict or flexible decision rules become. Every hiring decision carries risk. Some mistakes are visible, others are hidden, but both matter. And the effectiveness of a hiring process depends on how well those risks are understood and how thoughtfully they are managed over time. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.